Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Gajar Gobhi Gajar Shalgam Khatta Achaar, that is tangy pickled carrots, cauliflower and turnips. We are preparing two types of pickles from 2 kilograms of mixed carrots, cauliflower and turnips. You may increase whichever vegetables you want more and reduce whichever you want less. Chop and remove heads and bottoms of all turnips, then peel them completely. Remove heads of carrots and peel them also. Separate florets of cauliflower and cut the larger florets into halves or threes. Now cut peeled turnips into halves and then cut them into wedges or thinly slice them. Also cut peeled carrots into 2 or 3 inches long, 1/4 inch thick pieces. After peeling and chopping the vegetables, reduce to 1.5 kilogram only. Thoroughly wash all of chopped vegetable under running water and drain them. Put a large pot over medium heat with enough water in it to boil. Add washed and drained vegetables into boiling water in batches if pot is not big enough to do it in one go. Blanch for 1 to 2 minutes. Drain immediately and place them into large sieve placed over a vessel to drain completely. Repeat the process to blanch and drain remaining vegetables. Scatter drained vegetables over a muslin or neti cloth under fan. Cover them with cloth and leave under fan for 3 to 4 hours to dry them. We will be using half of these vegetables, that is 750 grams, in making of tangy pickle, and will make sweet and sour pickle with remaining 750 grams. Now let's prepare tangy pickle. Add 1.5 teaspoon or to taste of salt into a large bowl. Also add 1.5 teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder, that is paprika, and 3 tablespoon or 50 gram coarsely ground rayee, that is ground mustard seeds. Finally add 2 tablespoon or more of heated until smoky and cooled mustard oil into bowl and stir to mix well into spice paste. Now add half of blanched, drained and dried vegetables into bowl. Vegetables are 3/4 of a kilo. We will be making sweet and sour pickle with remaining 750 gram vegetables, but we'll explain making of that in our next video. Toss and mix well so as to coat all vegetables evenly with spiced oily mixture. You may mix them with your hands or may use fork and spoon to mix. Cover the bowl or transfer into dry glass or plastic jar or container and leave for 2 days. You may keep them under sun also, but it is not a must. Pour 3 tablespoon white vinegar into pickled vegetables after 2 or 3 days, then close the lid and toss so as to coat all vegetables evenly with vinegar. Leave for another couple of days until pickle is ready to eat. You may use this pickle up to a couple of months. Enjoy! Like and subscribe for more recipe videos. It is absolutely free.